The TireGrabber is proud to be a live auction sponsor at this year's Field of Stars event in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. We're donating a TG4000 with skid steer attachment, which will be auctioned off live on July 15th at 8 p.m. This incredible event supports a great cause, and we'd love your help in making it a success. While bidding won't open until the auction officially begins that evening, you can find all the details and register to bid at rbauction.com. Thank you for your support. We hope to see you in the auction action.